Hello YouTube. Today we're going to be trying the Pink Lady apple. Again, it's the Pink Lady apple. So I'm going to give you a taste test to see how it tastes. It sounds pretty good. Let's give it a taste. It harvests like any other good apple I'll tell nice and tart, nice and sweet balance. And that's probably because it has the acid in it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post bell notifications. Don't forget to share this video too, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out, YouTube. Bye, YouTube.